Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Basecamp.com. And Basecamp.com is a cloud-based service allowing you to work together with other people, whether you want to collaborate on specific projects or you want to have a long-term business relationship with them and you're going to be working together. You can use Basecamp as a joint workspace. Basecamp allows for the organization of specific projects that are going to be time-based as well as task-based, and allowing you to work together to share documents and files. It provides you a calendar of your activities, has mobile applications, and allows you to integrate with other applications online. Now in this course, we'll be looking at the various versions of Basecamp and how you access them, as well as how to use the interface effectively to work with other people. When the course is complete, you'll know all of the basics necessary for you to create a project, collaborate with other people, and to share files and documents in order to finish the project. And at the end of the course, we'll show you some tips on how to navigate some of the various ways that you can skip around inside of Basecamp. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in the first video.